Hello, so this is the drunk shader that I just made in Godot engine. It is the effect that, for example, if your player is drunk, then your screen will look like this. So the actual 3D scene looks like this. The desaturation you see is part of the drunk shader. Otherwise, if you remove this desaturation, you will see the actual scene is like this. So the drunk effect has some wobbles and has some, the ghost tails following the object movement. So I have few parameters. uh, One of them is the speed of the drunk effect, the chromatic color split, as well as the desaturation threshold. We also have other variables like the weight of our tail and the zoom amount and so on. So the effect is made up of two shaders. One of them is the this desaturation shader that I just told you about. In this shader, the desaturation increases with the distance from the camera. So if the pixel is more at distant, then it will be more desaturated. And the second thing, after this 3D scene is rendered, it is passed to the shader which runs on the 2D side, the canvas item shader, and it adds those wobbles and those ghost tails like you see. Now I have two variations of this shader. One of them has no desaturation and it looks like this, and the other one has this desaturation that I just told you about. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know what you think about this.